सब्सक्राइब करो ये चैनल को नोटिफिकेशन को मंचो नाक दे बेल आइकन को क्लिक करो Exercise 8E Introduction to Trigonometry Class 10 Question number 1 Eliminate theta for the equations Yanode theta ko eliminate kanangen Deune no unsogumun equation rang dunga sub number 1 x is equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta skangbo x is equal to a sec theta iko solve kachina inode ma kana sec theta ko san dunaibo chakrao tigimni a ko left side china shift kangbo cross multiply kai inode this implies x by a is equal to sec theta tigimania demna ya khoda equation 1 dongen demna genik bode and y is equal to b tan theta inoba tan theta ko san jakrao donaibo b ko left side chibakna rangbo inode this implies y by b is equal to tan theta that is our equation 2 dongen digimna again squaring equation 1 and 2 and subtracting equation 2 from 1 we get that makena equation 1 or equation 2 ko square again aro square khani jamanode makana equation 2 ko equation 1 oni ko subtract again iniman skangabode anga square khachengen equation 1 ko inode x square by a square ongnok left side ode skangbo left side dongbo bahone demna ya ko square khaude x square by a square digimna makna ania subtract iniman sign de minus ongnok digimna ya ko inoni ko subtract again iniman square of this one minus square of this one ongen mana ikoba square khana nangya aro ian oni kon iko subtract khana nangen iniman makana x square by a square minus y square by b square ongen this is equal to down taude jakraba one option again ongen ikoba square khana nangen digimna ian oni ko iko subtract again iniman sec square theta minus tan square theta songnok and this is equal to taude sec square theta minus tan square theta ni value ra betana 1 taude maka 1 mana ha taude question ode makna gana cham eliminate kana gana theta ko eliminate kana agana taude nibo inode anga 1 manjok inode theta dongja ha inigman ide eliminate donga ha yesa answer number 2 eliminate theta for the equation yoroban theta ko eliminate kana angen demna answer equation ara x equal to sin theta plus cos theta y equal to sin theta minus cos theta skangabo x equal to sin theta plus cos theta equals all kachengen ifare makena left hand side right hand side square khana nangen inode left hand side ko square khaude x square diguna right hand side ko square khaude sin theta plus cos theta whole square and this implies square is equal to inode a plus b whole square formula ko chakal genchi mode a square minus 2ab plus b square ni form ibagen inigiman sin square theta temna cos square theta ko ichibak sis kana mangen niman ikore makana a plus b whole square ko a square plus b square plus 2ab wo form sis ka genchi mode a square de sin square theta plus b square de cos square theta plus 2ab de 2 sin theta cos theta onske so this implies x square is equal to the sin square theta plus cos square theta de 1 divina plus 2 sin theta cos theta and this implies that the 1 ko left side chirangbo inode x square minus 1 is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Tadi aku sang equation 1 don gen. Temne gini pore and y is equal to sin theta minus cos theta. Ikoban option taken left hand side right hand side square kabo. Inode y square is equal to sin theta minus cos theta whole square, and this implies y square is equal to a minus b whole square formula ko jakalin chmode a square plus b square minus 2ab wo formula again iniman a square ode sin square theta kimna sin de plus b square ode cos square theta in ode minus 2ab ode 2 into sin theta cos theta, and this implies y square is equal to the sin square theta plus cos square theta de 1 divided by sin de minus 2 sin theta cos theta, and this implies y square 1 ko left side chirang ode minus 1 is equal to minus 2 sin theta cos theta, and this implies taude makana left hand side aro right hand side minus chi multiply khabo jera kode ya minus ko matna managta enable makana minus into minus kode plus 1 divina minus into plus de minus y square is equal to de minus into minus plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Tadi nibo equals kang equation 2 don chengen equation 2 don nani jamano de nibo equation 1 ni right hand side of 2 sin theta cos theta aro equation 2 ni right hand side over 2 sin theta cos theta. Iniman makana equation 1 aro equation 2 ni left hand side aro equation 1 ni left hand side aro equation 2 ni left hand side ke gini ko equate kana man gen maina equation 1 aro equation 2 ni right hand side rang option. Ini mana again from 1 and 2 we get x square minus 1 is equal to 1 minus y square, and this implies x square dot minus y square ko left side na about plus y square dimna jakra 1 donga ya minus 1 ko jakra shift ka ode plus 1 that 1 plus 1 de equal to 2. Tadi nibo theta eliminate waha theta dongja ha. So this is the answer.